ailerons, rudder, and elevators. More than 17,000 hardware were built in Canada by North American Aviation, while another 4,500 were built by Canada, Australia, Japan, and Sweden during
biplane powered by a 260 horsepower light engine. The weight is about 11.
Alors que l'équipage des non-régisteurs vous reviendra pour effectuer le passage du bas de la formation fixe. Toujours.
Now, eyes way up is great aviation, the thrill of aerobatics, and the beauty of synchronized formation flight. Through their performance today, they hope you'll be inspired to passionately and tenaciously pursue your goals and dreams, whatever they may be.
I don't think it's smart to walk without shoes on me.
If you slow pass for him, I also see he's got the arresting here. C'est un peu à l'envers de tous les travaux traditionnels, c'est-à-dire on part de des choses de l'ouest. Dans la voiture de avec un toit extrêmement léger, là, les performances sont comme une supérieure dans des voitures d'avion comme une ici. Entièrement construit à la main, c'est un exemplaire typique de près des voitures en bâti minimum. Several groups of raw material. This is not it's dedication includes custom ideas of design. It has a look here. See right now he's doing comes down and he's going to change in the front of the airplane. So power it up, levels the wings off, and flies out for the very first time. Watch the water train. It's right there. Yes. Very good. You did that very well. The engines power the everything. From electrical power generators to helicopters, and it's power matrix for support of the that you see here today. And it was important for the port to America. It was a very rare aircraft. First song is we have to have one, and you'll see later on today we have three big structures to be flying this aircraft as the power approach.
Full-time flying air shows, teaching aerobatics. The airplane Trevor's flying today is the fifth airplane that he has built. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. He built this airplane. The airplane is designed by master aerobatic builder and designer Curtis Pitt. It's called Model 12.
We're bringing the gliders, seaplanes,
aerobatic instructor. Other than this here, and paid for flying and aircraft building, around wood and fabric airplanes that flew out of a small pasture in the town of York, Ontario. His father lived in
Next aircraft, 304.
Let's come on over to Jamie McDonald, one of the pilots. Private aircraft association. Take it away, Jamie.
Major Chris Hanson, comme le disait Dan d'ailleurs, qui prend sa retraite prochainement.
With the Ontario Provincial Police, and we'll be flying the new OTP helicopters based out of Aurelia. 46 helicopters. Major Hurton has extensive experience on the Griffin helicopter, including support for JTF-2 during the 9/11 era and multiple overseas tours, including deployments to Central America, Bosnia, and combat missions.
Ainsi que pour les opérations d'évacuation et